Counters make data more engaging and interactive. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create eye-catching counters. Let's create stunning layouts with aBlocks counter block. Open a page in Gutenberg where you need to add a counter block. Hit the plus icon, search for counter block, and insert it into your page. Now, click on the settings area to open the counter block settings. Set the alignment to position your counter perfectly. Choose a layout style like number, circle, or bar for a custom design. Define your starting and ending numbers to set the counter range. Expand number settings, tweak with decimal places. Add a prefix to display text before the number. Add a suffix to show text after the number. Choose 1000 separators if needed. Let's stylize our counter number color to match design. Adjust the font family to fit your style. Let's play with customizing typography. Add your counter title in the heading section. Customize the title color to match your design. Adjust the font family for your desired look. Set the icon position relative to the number, as you need. Adjust the icon size to fit your design. Select a new icon that suits your content. Fix the icon view to either default or stacked. Customize the icon color from the Icon Style section. Click Save to apply your changes. Here is a preview of a stunning counter block design with aBlocks. And there you have it. Keep experimenting with these features to take your designs to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.